Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your own zine. You do not have to have excellent handwriting or drawing skills because I don't. But you can see here on the left side, I made the zine with paper, and the right side, I made it with cardstock. So it all depends on how firm you want your zine to be. So let's get started. You'll need your preferred piece of paper. I have cardstock here. I want it a little bit more firm zine, and also I didn't have much paper. So you're going to fold the paper over to the right in hot dog style, hot dog bun style. Fold the paper over to the right. Press it firmly, make sure everything is lined up. With it being cardstock, it's kind of a challenge to get that paper lined up right, but it's fine. So press in firmly, and then the next thing you're going to do is fold it backwards away from you in half and press in firmly. So make sure you're folding it backwards and then making sure every edge is lined up. Next thing you're going to do is turn it to the left like so, and then fold it to the back. And this is where it gets challenging if you're using cardstock because it's getting quite thick, but you can do it. Press in firmly, as firm as you can. From here, you're going to open it up 2 times. So 1 and 2. That's it. And you see how there's 4 squares now? You're going to have some scissors. Grab some scissors and cut just to the halfway line. Just stop right there. And you see that? Just a little bit. So now open it all the way up. And you'll see that little mouth there. You're going to fold the paper to the back. Make sure everything is lined up. Press it in firm. Nice and neat. And you have that mouth there. So you're going to press it, make it like a diamond. Just press it, line it up like so. And that is your zine. You did it. See the book there? 2, 3, and 4. All done. Now it's time to plan out our words. Plan out the book. What are you going to say? So there will be a total of 6 pages. So what I like to do is number a different sheet, 1 through 6, and outline what I'm going to say. But right here, I didn't know what exactly I wanted to write about. And so I decided to make a list of ideas. Okay, so I made a list of ideas and I chose to choose my grandma's backyard. And I wanted it to have a children's book feel, so the language is suitable for maybe a 6-year-old, 6 to 10. I'm very fond of my grandmother's backyard, it's very peaceful, so I wanted to convey that in a childlike manner. So here's a sped up clip of me just writing the story out. And this is what you'll do. So just plan out your story. It's okay if it doesn't make sense or you need to make some changes, but it's better to plan out what you're going to say before you start designing the book. So this is how I planned it out, mapped it out, and I advise you to do the same before you start designing. Now that our zine is nicely folded and our story is written, it's time to start designing. So break out all of your crayons and pens, markers, everything that you need to make this your own. All right, now it's time to begin the fun. This is a friendly reminder. You do not have to have great handwriting or drawing skills because, as you can see, I do not have those. Maybe a little bit of good handwriting, but my drawing and coloring, no, it's not there. But that didn't stop me from using this time to have a creative outlet. That's really what this is about. So, just tapping into your inner artist, your inner author, your inner creative. So, I'm going to speed up the clip here to show you how I designed this zine. Friends, as you can see here, I am trying to draw plants. You know, it's okay. It's okay if your drawings just look crazy. That's all a part of the fun. Just laugh at yourself for not being blessed with drawing skills. This is my favorite part here. The cat or the cats or the animals, the creatures, because they do not look like cats. They look like creatures. That I'm so proud of this page. Ah, the shirts and the pants. Guys, the spirit just took over at this point. It was like, you know what? I see you're trying your hardest. I'm going to help you out on this page. And these are hanging clothes, shirts and pants and dresses. But when I got to this page, the spirit has left me. Definitely, because it's plain. Oh, God. So now that you know how to make a zine, I want you to make zines now. Make all the zines and tag me on Instagram at Kamari Creative, and I want to see all of your zines.